The all-new Hawk 5 is the next generation of racing drones, pushing the limits of what's possible for a quadcopter in its class. In order to maximize system performance, each part was carefully engineered and tested through rigorous extremities. From its unique frame design, utilizing aerospace-grade carbon fiber, down to its efficient brushless motors, built out of a high-quality lightweight aluminium alloy, the Hawk 5 was created to meet the demands of the modern-day drone pilot. Featuring a low-latency micro camera boasting an impressive sensor, pilots can expect a vibrant image needed to navigate a variety of terrain safely. With on-screen display, the aircraft pilot will have easy access to all relevant information needed to monitor drone performance, battery information, and signal quality. For greater flight time, our engineers built a unique all-in-one power system paired together with 2300 kV brushless motors for maximum efficiency while still providing enormous amounts of power. Utilizing the elegant Avon Flow propellers, pilots will be able to stay in the air longer without sacrificing speed or performance due to its unmatched durability and its ability to offer linear control throughout the flight envelope. Unrivaled by its engineering, the Hawk 5 ushers in a new era of racing technology. Through its precise design, limitless power, and unparalleled durability, the sky is only the beginning.